Hey, welcome back everybody to the Grand Shamrock Tour on the 5th of July, America's Independence Day.
Don't you mean 4th of July?
Are you sure about that?
Well, here in Crooked River Ranch.
I know it. 4th of July is Independence Day, but on Crooked River Ranch, the 5th is when we celebrate it by having a parade with our side-by-side.
Yeah.
And when you're in Crooked River Ranch and you're in a side-by-side parade, you're never gonna know where you end up.
We did end up having a good time at the parade. Short and sweet, really. Lots of kids to throw candy to.
And old people too.
Oh yeah, lots of that. It's your first parade since you were, what, 6? Oh, he keeps grabbing into the candy. Keep your hands out of the candy, that's for the kids.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Well, on the 5th of July, we're all kids at heart.
Yeah, there you go. You get the leftovers. Hey, you know, I'm surprised at how many people are here for such a small parade and how many people are involved. It's pretty impressive.
Happy 5th of July!
Happy 5th of July!
Ready? Down, set, go! Woo! Nice job! You want to catch it?
It was just a really short parade, but we got done. We said, let's get out of here.
Oh, yeah.
And we found ourselves coming down. So the Crooked River Ranch area is looking at putting in riding on the road.
Right,
Just in those
we're in the,
local-
right now there is an ordinance that's going to allow the use of side-by-sides on the public roadways in the Crooked River Ranch, which we're really excited about because we simply rode right down the road from our driveway to where we are right now.
Well, who would have thought that we were going to end up here today, John?
Oh.
Okay, but you know, you did throw up the drone, that was pretty good.
I did. And for those of you who are wondering at home, that's Billy. Lake Billy Chinook right here in Central Oregon. Crooked River Ranch on that side, Deschutes River on that side, or excuse me, Crooked River on that side, Deschutes River on that side, and the Metolius is right over there.
Yeah, what a beautiful area. Water. Explain that.
Yeah, well, we think there's the water's pretty green there in the Crooked River right now, this far down, because there's a lot of runoff from agricultural, I would say, fertilization.
Yeah.
And what makes those fields so green kind of made the water green too.
Kind of interesting. So we haven't ridden that much. You know, we've used the side-by-side. We did take Duncan out.
Oh yeah.
To climb buttes.
Yeah.
And he had such a good time.
Yeah, it's always fun with him, and it was kind of amplified by him having the reins to this.
Yeah, oh man, don't be careful about that. I mean, I think I drove about a minute or two and said, hey, Dunk, you might as well just drive. And he had a good time with that.
At least you got a minute.
Oh, yeah.
You can tell why people like these.
Yeah, why?
They're pretty cool.
Oh, you think it's cool?
Yeah, it's cool.
Oh, good. I'm glad he didn't turn. Oh, look at this.
Got some
Hey, you
dust.
said it looked like it was brand new, but oh, wow.
It is fun. It's pretty fun.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you did good, Duncan.
But I have plenty of clearance for this.
Yeah, and the rock climbs. He did find some good trails. That's
Yeah,
for sure.
and we are we're out here in really we're not in the middle of nowhere, but you can sure see it from here. And it is pretty exciting to come down. We did come down a rock climb trail, which I'll have some video to share with that on the 360, or we'll come down a rock climb trail, right?
Yeah.
Excited. We had a, hey,
What?
we had a snack.
Well, okay, we did find one of the best places for a snack.
It's
for
a
you.
great snack spot.
Yeah.
We've had a great time with the parade. We had to have room for the candy too. But yeah, we,
Take it all
so
away.
Carolyn,
Yeah.
we got a bit of a rock climb to get back
We
home.
better get going. We'll
Yeah.
be home, and we'll be home in at least a half an hour.
Yeah, it's right down, right up that
Right up that
hillside.
hillside.
Yeah, love it.
Hang on.
I love it.
We're on our way home. On that note, travel safe.
And we'll see you out on that rocky trail.